Why this course? Why would you sign up specifically to this course? There's many other ways how you can learn how to play the piano. You can learn it through other courses here on Udemy. You could learn it through private music teachers. You could even learn it through YouTube. The reason why you should sign up for this course is because it is huge. It has more than 20 hours of content. It has up to 200 lectures. It has all the information you need to know about the piano, how to learn the piano, and how to play the piano at a professional level. I guarantee it, if you complete this entire course, you will play the piano amazingly well. Now, I don't say this like a scam or anything, because if you look at my previous video, it's where I just play the piano. Everything you will learn in this course, I apply that to myself, and that was the result. So if you play the piano, if you never played the piano, if you're just starting to play the piano, or you only play for a few years, even if you've been playing it for 10 years, this course will benefit you because it is broken down into separate sections. It has a basic section, the intermediate section, advanced section. It doesn't matter what level you are, you can still learn a lot of information from it. If you're basic, if you complete everything in this course, you will play amazingly well. If you're an advanced player, you could take out some things in all those sections and apply it to your piano playing, and you will play better. There's a lot of information, a lot of content in this course. I wish I knew this information when I was playing the piano so I could apply it sooner and learn more quicker. So sign up for this course, try it out. I guarantee you will see amazing results in playing the piano, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for watching.